Good girl. Come on. Good. Ready? Good, right here. There you go. Good. Very nice. Good. 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 Nope. Up. Come on. Good. Nope. Nope. Good. Good. Very nice. Good girl. She's a little crazy, so we're working on being a little more calm and controlled. Good. And not jumping up. Come on. Come here. Up. Here. Ready? Good. Come on. There we go. Good. There we go. Good. She's a fun little pup, and she's figuring it out well, though. So basically, I'm just rewarding her right now when she doesn't jump up. I'm not worrying about anything else. She just really, really likes to jump up. So I'm just teaching her that she doesn't get rewarded if she jumps up. She only gets rewarded when she is being calm and either sitting or just standing next to me. Good. Good. Nope. Good. There you go. Good. Anyway, she's doing a good job. That's kind of what we've been working on. That and being calm and quiet and not barking in the crate. But she's got a lot of energy and she's a lot of fun. Huh, girl? Huh? Oh, you want to do some more? Anyway, she's a super cute dog.